Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
My name is Akhil Reddy and my teammate name is Sriraj, and we are from IIT Vellore, and our startup is pre-incubated in IIT Vellore. Our startup is Livestockify. Our startup mission is to improve livestock farming, to provide farmers data-driven technologies and to improve well-being and boosting the productivity of the livestock farms. And coming to the problem statement, as I given you the service reports, before finding the problem, we just done a survey to the livestock farmers, like totally livestock farmers and general farmers. Then we came to know that when after our survey, we came to know that livestock farmers are facing few problems. Like livestock farmers are facing, majorly we focused on three common issues. One is that farm management, second one is feed management, third one is proper access to the veterinary doctors. Still in modern India, most of the villages don't have a proper veterinary access to the farmers. And that is our problem statement. And real life examples of that, our problem statements are livestock farmers struggle to maintain temperature and conditions of the livestock farm. And manual monitoring is a time consuming method for the livestock farmers, and the labor incentive also. And second thing is that data, without lack of the data, farmers can't not able to predict what is happening in the farms. And small scale farmers, and if the data driven technology is also there, they were very high in the cost, and so that farmers small scale farmers cannot affordable that. We came with a solution that our device which monitors the livestock farms total automation, monitors the real time data and automates the farm, and farmer can visible this data in our website. And if farmers does not have a smartphone, he can access our data, farm data through normal mobile, like even message format, or in a call, like he can call the customer care and he can ask the regardings. And for example, the problem statement I'm taking for the poultry farm. In the poultry, there are two categories. One is layer poultry, one is boiler poultry. When it comes to the layer poultry will be should be maintained in certain temperatures. If they not maintained in a certain temperatures, the production of the eggs will be low, and if they lay eggs also, size of the eggs will be less. So this is the major heat problems when major layer boilers are facing. And when it comes to the boilers will be kept with the farmer only for 45 days, and for that, first 15 days are very crucial for the farmer. These 15 days will decide whether the bird will grow more weight, gain the more weight, or if not. If we not maintain this 15 days properly, proper temperature, proper ammonia, proper humidity, can't maintain the shed. Even though if we give more feed also, the bird will not grow weight. These are two major problems in the poultry. What we are bringing solution is that with this is our prototype device. With this device, farmers can access real-time data, can measure the real-time data of the parameters like temperature, humidity, ammonia, and 4 more gases, and can do automation. If for example, if the temperature is for example in the poultry area, the temperature should be in between from 28 to 38. Should not exclude that. If you exceed, the birds go under heat stress. So for that, if the temperature, for example, if the temperature for in this poultry is more than 38, if you take 39, if you take as an example, automatically foggers will be on, foggers or fans will be on to bring down the temperature to the normal range. And if the temperature again came back to 38, the automatically foggers and fans will be off. According to the farmer financial status, we are advisable them to use foggers or fans. Same scenario comes to the dairy also. In the dairy farm also, cows should be maintained in a certain parameter temperature. If not, cows goes under heat stress and they reduce the milk yielding, but they don't stop milking, but they reduce in the milk quantity they will be reducing. So this is the major problem in cows also. This is a dairy farm in Vellore VIT. We placed that device and we are measuring the devices, parameters of them, and we are doing automations also. You can see in the picture there are fans and foggers placed there. coming to the market competition, there are few companies. One is Farm Automation. It is an American-based company, but it is not it is only targeting poultry farmers, and it is not having footprint in India. And one more is Europe-based company. It is it is only in poultry industry. That is also not having footprint in India. And India-based two companies are there. Aerosonic is only health monitoring for only goats. And they are not into poultry, they are not into dairy, they are not into silkworm or other livestock things. They are only purely categorized into goats. And when you coming to the V-Stock is the startup which was monitoring individual species of a cow, not total farm. It is only monitoring the individual cow. We are not doing that. We are overallly for every livestock we are having a device same device which will have some different softwares to run, and that devices we are having 4 models. First model starts from 1200, and our highest model is for 4000 as of now. Coming to the target market, India is a big market for the livestock farmers, and this is exactly chart which we are expecting that as of a normal data set which we collected from the census 2021 census. This was the data. How we are generating revenue is that we are generating revenue through device selling, and second thing is subscription based. We can give these devices for the farmers, and we can charge as subscription based model, and we can later we can, after few years, we can maintain and upgrade models. And third thing is data and analytics, and we are giving predictions for the farmers with using some machine learning algorithms and data driven algorithms. And advertising, through advertising also we can earn we can generate revenue in here. And our market strategy is targeting the targeted segment customers and value proposition, which is our key point for our product. Our price strategies and demonstration and training model for the farmers, and market and awareness programs, customer support, and after sales and before sales to the farmers we are giving. And continuous innovation. By being continuous innovation, we are planning to be in the market, because without innovation, the day-to-day life will be changing. So farmers need more innovations in this area. And our traction and milestone are, we are running awareness campaigns with the help of IIT Vellore and other universities of agriculture university. Already we were in talk with more than 30 plus agriculture universities all over Tamil Nadu, and we are planning to launch awareness programs for the farmers. And already we have our prototype is tested in few testing areas in Vellore locality also. We are ready to take into the market by the next month.
I just want to know what kind of parameters that you measure with your...
Yeah, sir. Sir, initially, as of now, we are measuring currently 3 parameters.
Your students?
Yeah, sir. I'm currently final year student, and he's second year student currently. And currently we are measuring 3 parameters as of now. One is temperature, humidity, ammonia levels, and we are extending in that to 3 more gases more. So that
what are those gases?
Yeah, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and air quality of the farm, total air quality of the farm.
Okay, so through what sensor you measure the ammonia?
So that sensors are which were inbuilt by us only. That were
you built a sensor?
Yeah, not exactly total sensors, sir. We built we brought raw materials from outside, and we built our own sensors in that area.
You manufactured a sensor for your system?
So sensor in the sense total, I'm not saying total sensor was manufactured by us. Some parts were brought from the vendors, and we modified it, and
so assembled it?
Yeah, assembled it, and we were patented also, sir. We were.
So the box that you are showing,
yes,
I can see only one sensor, that is DHT.
Yeah, sir. DHT sensor.
22 something, 22 like that.
Something.
That is
yes,
what
sir.
you just showed. And
that was a common sensor. Other sensor was that was completely.
How it works, like?
Sir, the thing is that from the air quality, it measures the we have some inbuilt sensors in it, sir. That sensors measures the total number of gases in that, like a percentage of the gases, and directs us to our normal receiver. From there, it will transfer to the web, sir.
If a farm like poultry farm,
yeah,
the temperature can go below 28, or it is like 28 is the right?
No, sir.
number?
Below 28 also will go, and if below 28 and below 20 if the temperature is lower than 20, automatically heaters or bulbs will be on, and to produce the heat for the birds.
And you told me like the same thing applies for cattle farming.
Yeah,
also.
sir.
So whereas in cattle farming, it's completely different, right?
Yeah, sir.
The setup will be completely different.
Setup will be same, sir.
I'm
Okay.
asking. I'm telling you the setup of the cattle farming.
Okay, yeah, sir. I got
See,
you.
the poultry farm will look different.
Yeah, sir.
And the cattle farm will look different.
Yeah,
right?
sir.
And the amount of gas that is produced in cattle farm is completely different, from
yeah,
the poultry farm.
If you give me 1 minute, sir, in poultry the ammonia level will be more because they generate they will not clean poultry farm daily, so their ammonia level will be more. So if ammonia level is also more, then the if the ammonia level increases more than 70%, hen has a huge chances to fall sick, and if ammonia levels goes above 80, hen will lose its eyesight and may die also. That scenarios also we seen when we met farmers, and when we took the incentives for the veterinary doctors also we've seen that. And when it coming to the dairy, it is not like that. The ammonia level, because dairy farmers will clean the dairy shed every day, at least alternative days they clean.
So for my understanding, let
Yes,
me
sir.
know, like you are just automating the fans, as just switching on the fans and just monitoring what is the gas there. That's all.
Yes, sir. Yes, and we are monitoring that, and we in the poultry area, we are working on one more device also, which will monitor the disease. Identify the disease.
We'll keep that aside.
Yes, sir.
So currently, what
Yes, sir.
you showed me, I'm just asking
Yes,
a
sir.
question based.
Yes,
on that,
sir.
okay. So you're telling me that you will monitor what is the gas inside,
Yes,
and you
sir.
will switch on the fans and heaters. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
It is like just a manual automation towards the manual switch. That's all.
Yes, sir.
That's your product.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay.
And here it is externally we are not going to modify anything, sir. As the farm is there, we are doing adjustment our device to them as a required farm, because externally if we go for a new if we suggest them a new setup, it will cost of them will be increased. And we see by this we have five possibilities farmers are getting from this. That is first is like real-time data they're going to access anywhere they were, and third is veterinary veterinary consultancy, nearby veterinary fourth is third is that they can build a good community here, farmers community, because regional wise farming styles will be different, and the production styles also will be different, so that according to that we are building a good farming community there. And fourth is that farmer can save the cost savings from this. We have a pre-orders of 80 devices. We just started selling from past 5 days. We got 80 customers on board, and we are making devices for them. And one of our big customer is that he is owning like a 2 lakhs poultry farm. Like it is a layer poultry farm. He produces more than 1,50,000 eggs per day. So we are in talks with them. Already it was completed.
How do you just said that you are customizing this product according to the poultry farm that you are going to implement it to. So if you go for a widespread sale, say across India, how are you going to what is your go-to-market strategy?
Sir, our role model is that the things device manufacturing will be same, sir. Device manufacturing will not be differ. For a device manufacturing will be there, and the size of the farm, sir. Basically this one device which I showed you, that is for 25 meters 25 feet radius, sir. Basically it can for a small scale farmer who has 4 cows or 6 cows, 4 to 8 cows you can take. 4 to 8 cows, one device is sufficient for him. It will charge him around 1600. Totally 1600 for total device. He can implement that device in their farm, and he can get data for that. In the small scale region, the farmers who are in between 4 to 8 cows, that is same for everyone. And when the shed is more than, like I said, 2 lakhs birds, the shed is way bigger than us, like 300 feet shed, sir. Actually, that for that we suggested him to keep 10 devices as of now, so that he can monitor, he can get a good accuracy of them to collect the data. So for like that, farmers who are having 2 lakhs or more than that, more than 1 lakh you can take. We will first visit the farm and examine the farm and reach them. Our main motto is that as of now we targeting Vellore district initially, and we are planning to meet agriculture university in total Tamil Nadu head. So we are planning to take his help and guidance from him, and to expand to other districts. Yes.
The processor, microprocessor is
ESP, sir.
ESP32.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So like you take the data and you just in cloud you do all this machine learning work.
Yes, sir.
And then you push the data to
Yes,
ESP.
sir. Website. We have a website also.
No, you push the data back to ESP.
No, sir. From ESP, we
then
will
how
collect.
like
Sir,
no?
from- yes.
I'm just asking you. This is a real-time question. Look,
Yes.
You may take it as a suggestion also. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is, you take the data,
Yes,
you
sir.
train a model,
Yes, sir.
and the model need to work on the module that you have kept over there,
Yes, sir.
right? So based on that only you can intimate whether what temperature right now is
Yeah,
happening and
yes, sir.
what can happen in
Yes, sir.
future and all those things,
Yes, sir.
which you claim. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But whether ESP is capable of sending this huge data back to the system, like
Yeah, sir. As of now, we are not having that huge data because we are monitoring every 1 minute. So we tried with 1 second also. That data is not too that high from every device because every device has individual ESPs.
and you told me like you will have 10 devices. In a
Yes,
row,
sir, 10
whether
devices.
it will be connected together.
Yes, sir. That will be connected together, and we have that setup also. If possible, by this end of month, when we installed in that form, we can able to show you. We have a prototype and everything ready. We
No,
have
no,
testing.
no. I'm
also
just
done.
asking like
Yes.
all these 10 devices.
Yeah,
speaks
will
to
be
each other.
speaks to each other, sir. We'll be having a transmitter, and we'll be having every device will be having a transmitter and one
Because
receiver. will
ESP
be
doesn't
there.
have any transmitters.
Yeah, sir. ESP 8
And your device also doesn't show me any transmitter.
Sir, that was not officially my mentor does not like.
So
say.
this is not the real image.
No, sir. That is a real image, sir. Sir, that has a transmitter, sir. Without an internet, that will work. That will transmit the data to.
Through what? Through what kind of
Sir,
technology?
we have a radar in.
You use radar.
Like a small radar sensor will use that. That will transmit a signal from this to receiver, sir. For the receiver also, we have an ESP model that will receive this. That will have an antenna and everything. In this model also, we have an antenna, sir. With inbuilt one SIM, we have an antenna. This is our first model.
Fine. Great.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.